Good afternoon from Commonwealth Boat Brokers. I'm Lynsay and I'm here to take you on a little tour of this 2022 Bayliner VR6. Let's take a look. This is a beautiful boat, especially for a 2022 model. You can see on the outside she's in pretty good condition. A couple little nicks on this backside. You can see her motor is a Mercury 150. It has 456 hours on her. This boat is sitting on a brand new Venture trailer. It actually came to us without a trailer. So this boat will be priced without the trailer. However, you can purchase this brand new 2025 trailer with the boat. That price will be available at commonwealthboatbrokers.com, or you can call me for more information. All right, let's go inside and take a look. For more information about this Bayliner VR6, please check out our website. It's commonwealthboatbrokers.com, or you can give me a call directly. My number is 804-417-7537. Again, my name is Lynsay. To help you get on your next adventure soon. Thanks.